Miss China.
Spanish team. Miss Colombia.
Miss Russia. Also to the next round is Miss Thailand.
How are you today? How are you today?
Hello?
Hello, good evening. I'm doing fine.
So the question is, as a beauty queen and as a student, what are your thoughts and advocacy about healthcare, how it can promote the goals and objectives of the United Nations? Again, as a beauty queen and as a student, what are your thoughts and advocacy about healthcare and how it can promote the goals and objectives of the United Nations?
As a student, I can help them in their healthcare.
Again, the question is, as a beauty queen and as a student, what are your thoughts and advocacy about healthcare and how it can promote the goals and objectives of the United Nations?
Well, as a student, my thoughts about healthcare is very important for students like me, and not also me, also to my fellow students. I believe every student should take care of their health and don't pressure yourself too much. Because nowadays, students are most likely to pressure themselves, not only in academics, but in their problems and some other things. So my thoughts in healthcare is very important for some students, and I think they should take care of it and treasure it. Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, Miss Tana. How are you? Yeah, very good. Okay, here's your question. As a beauty queen and a student, what are your thoughts and advocacy about sustainable development? How it can promote the goals and objectives of the United Nations? As a beauty queen and student, what are your thoughts and advocacy about sustainable development? How can it promote the goals and objectives of the United Nations?
Bilang isang individual, bilang isang estudyante, ang thoughts ko po about sa sustainable development ay ang pagpapromote po ng mga huwag pong mag-aksaya, magtipid po tayo, matuto po tayong mag-recycle ng mga basura natin para mapakinabangan natin. Pwede natin itong gawing mga palamuti sa mga bahay natin, decorations, gowns, katulad po ng national costumes namin. And pwede rin po natin itong mapakinabangan sa pera. Pwede po natin itong maibenta dahil ang pagiging malikhain po ay isa sa pinaka-espesyal na kakayahan ng isang tao. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Miss Peru.
Hello, Miss Peru. How are you tonight?
Hello, good evening. I'm fine. Doing fine.
Same lang question.
Okay.
Same lang question.
Here's your question.
Oo. Parehas.
As a beauty queen and as a student,
what are your thoughts and advocacy about affordable and clean energy? And how it can promote
iniiba yun
the
sa
goals
blanco.
and
Yung blanco.
objectives of the United Nations?
Thank you for that question. As a student and as a student leader of our school, we all know that we are using technology and new technologies in the whole wide world. And alam po natin, nakakatulong po ang teknolohiya sa ating bansa at sa ating lipunan para makapag-serve ng energy. And as an example is yung solar po natin, yung ilaw na ginagamit natin sa school is to provide clean energy sa ating environment, and hindi lang sa environment, kundi nakakapag-develop din ito at sa ating society and sa ating economy. And for me po, using this as the using this technologies or using to affordable and clean energy is
Oo nga, no?
such a treat, since hindi po
Malayo,
lahat
di naman
is
kita.
nagkakaroon ng hindi po lahat ng tao sa ating lipunan or sa ating buong bansa, buong mundo ay mayroong affordable and clean energy. Sapagkat hindi naman po tayo lahat is may kaya, at only lang po dito sa ating bansa ang ating nakakapag-save ng energy. And for me po, we as a community, we unite as one.
Time is up.